Silk manufacturing process.
Silkworms, through their intricate cocooning process, gifted the world with an extraordinary thread, a thread that would redefine elegance. Across several Asian nations, commercial breeding of silkworms became a practiced art, each cocoon having the potential for pure opulence, a marvel in the making. Remarkably, this opulent fabric emerges from humble origins, silkworms. The life cycle begins when a female silkworm lays up to 400 eggs, marking the inception of this exquisite journey. 2 weeks later, the eggs hatch into larvae, voraciously consuming fresh mulberry leaves, increasing their body weight by an astonishing 10,000-fold, eventually growing to a length of about 3 inches. As the larvae transition to the pupa stage, they excrete a liquid form of raw silk from salivary glands in their mouth. Upon exposure to air, this liquid solidifies into a delicate thread. The pupa then skillfully winds this thread around itself, forming a cozy cocoon. Usually, the pupa would emerge as a moth, breaking free from the cocoon. However, to preserve the continuous silk thread, a meticulous process ensues. The cocoon is boiled for about 3 minutes, preventing moth emergence. Boiling the cocoons not only preserves the silk thread, but also facilitates unraveling by dissolving the sericin, the protein that binds the thread. Harvesting this exquisite silk involves carefully extracting threads from 30 to 50 cocoons at a time. These threads are then skillfully wound onto a hand-operated reel, creating a thicker, unified thread. The resulting threads are incredibly fine, measuring only about 1/100th of a millimeter in diameter. Hence, it takes around 3,000 of cocoons to produce just a pound of silk thread. The delicate silk threads, now bundled, are weighed down with sand, making them easier to handle. After this, they are washed, bleached, and carefully dyed to achieve the desired vibrant hues. Achieving the perfect color requires precise monitoring of dye-to-water ratios, water temperature, and soaking time. The dyed threads are then hung to dry, ready to be woven into fabric. On a traditional hand-operated loom, skilled weavers bring the feather-like silk thread to life. Bobbins of thread are passed horizontally between vertical threads, creating a mesmerizing tapestry. Another machine winds the threads around spools, and workers expertly install a set number of spool threads, aligning them vertically on the loom. Each meticulously crafted pattern demands thousands of vertical threads. With each step on the loom's foot pedal, the weaver elevates alternate vertical threads, deftly passing a shuttle containing the silk thread horizontally. This intricate interweaving of threads results in the beautiful silk fabric we all adore. The weaver utilizes various shuttles, each carrying threads of different colors, thicknesses, and textures, crafting awe-inspiring patterns that transform silk into wearable art. Silk, a story of humble beginnings, skilled craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. A journey that began thousands of years ago in ancient China and continues to grace our lives with unparalleled beauty and sophistication. From home essentials to stunning accessories and timeless garments, silk has remained an epitome of refinement throughout the ages.